You have a catch foot of them place if you not slide off a hillside. See how that tall? Yes, no man. Good work to put in to get that. No?
Snake Sylvans to this.
You see that? People don't know me have a mug piece of yam. Eh? Banana this is fine, you know, peeps. Apple for days. Jamaica will pick up line.
I bless you, love it tonight, I'm on Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to djswicked vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Greetings once more. It's a beautiful day. Big up and bless up to everyone today. Yeah. You know what, djswicked vlogs in the place once more, people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I see this morning, my people. You don't know me out and stunting. You see me? But you don't know we not move like Peter Bunting, though. But we out here, peeps. Alright, now we are touching at the bush. You see me? So stay tuned for that one, you know, people. Make sure you start like, share. You see me? If you never yet subscribe to my channel yet, peeps, oh gosh, go and do the right thing, no man. Make the thing nice and spicy, no man. Oh gosh, you know the thing go already, people. So, right now, my people, stay tuned for that one. That one I go nice. Me and my uncle out here, so people, stay tuned for that one. Yes, peeps, it's a journey. See, boss all at one slide, the liquor. Journey we have to take on now, man, yeah, people. I want the river to cross and sitting. Yeah, man. No joke. See nice beauty of the country lifestyle, people. Yeah, man. I go hunt it. And reach, I go see where we are on, people. Yes, no, man. Nice river, yeah, people. Can't hunt crayfish and sitting in it same way. So we cross river out there, you know, people, on stone. So we cross out there, you know. It stink down here, man. Nah, it's not good enough, because I don't want to drop a bunky, does, you know, people full of laugh. No joke. You know, our uncle and nephew out here. And we are going to the bush. They pass some hunting today, so stay tuned for the hunt. That is it, man, no joke. See what I go on, peeps.
Short.
Yeah, man. Uncle and nephew there. A mad thing out there to the people now. See what I go on. See the nice beauty of people. Phone quality good too, you know. Phone quality nice, people. Tell you. Little more me and the great Godfrey Osborne now link up, you know, peeps. And one of nothing normal that. I'm a road. No sir. A vlog there I go nice later, peeps. But anyway, stay tuned for that one here. No joke. And it's gonna be a great adventure. Yeah, man, I saw walk with the cutlass in a bush when we are Jamaica, you know, brawling. That me I say if apple still are going. You see if nothing there in a box there, empty box. Apple gone one, peeps. What? Apple up on tree, yeah? Watch your peeps. Bombard, people. And me a idiot. And me a idiot, people. Look here. Look here, people. No, sir. No, sir. Look there. Look there, people. Apple see them way. Apple for days. Yeah, I say. Yeah, I do, man.
Apple for days, man.
Apple bless. You see what I go on? Apple tree bless, people. You know if you fix up things out here now. Tell you about it, people. Apple for days. Jamaica will pick up line. Natural apple. No fertility. You know what I mean? Good your right side see me. And them sitting there. Hunt, you know. Find apple and anything the people and joke to you. We call guana man. Look good now man. Hey. The apple sugary. Peeps? No sir. Can't get no better than that people. I say sugar that's very nice. I'm gonna cut this yeah. I don't know. Treading through, you know. I don't know the life we live already, you know, peeps. Bush life. We just try clean every day. But when they say bush life, people are a joke thing. And a chicken and a pork thing, you see me? So, people, stay tuned for that one, yeah. Right now we're down in our chocolate walk. Hope you can see chocolate tree them and all of that. 2 chocolate pan tree they see them here. And I see them peeps. So you know that show you go already peeps. And normal settings. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, is a one nutmeg tree that they call it something egg. In our country, eh? Cause I couldn't nothing in almost something. But we active people. Stay tuned. Me and my uncle there out here. Treading through hills and valley. See how we are treading peeps? You and treading. We are tread today. Stay tuned. Nice type of tree and nice bush. No star ripe yet still. I want to catch the tour of people. Chocolate walk that. You! Nice coconut tree there. Yellow skin. Can't get no better than that. And my way to my farm, you know. You know the thing set. No joke, peeps. Over there, some my little property, you know, peeps. You do little cleaning and thing. And you can see over there, look at the little different here. Be a niceness of go on, people. Stay tuned, I look for my Renta Yam people. Come on, dig it out. Yeah, then you have no more too. As you can see, I'm over a property that yeah. SWICKED little farm that yeah. Man take time clean up and go out a bag of things. And if you can see way through up there, you can see a big pile of coal wood. See the big pile of coal wood up there, peeps. Yeah man, that's just how we do it, you know. Just to make you see a little while go on the farm. See, know the thing go. Go on good. Nice planting the people. Farm just want to clean up nice again and you know. So we dig your out here, you know, people. So we dig your out here.
Oh, nice. This one.
Nice, big yam, DJ.
The 30 pound, I make it out of this. One, you just spread down there, check. And people go that wonder where me I dig, I didn't care. See what me I go to you too.
Yam the people. This is yam, Let's see what is what.
I want to juke up, so I have to dig it wide, I want to see the food that I go to, see that. And the food is.
See it, man, clear and nice.
So we don't want to juke, so I have to dig him.
Yeah, they eat it like farmer brown,
Nice, little bit still. Food.
Food, same, people. All old people are then like one of them want all, Something more in it. Barely come over, fine. Bust off here and put it back there to take time, grow and get bigger. Plant it back, That is it, people. Gone one already outside. They up on the hunting. One yam already. See what we can find up on the road. I'm going to dig up most of me yam them honest still. See what we can find on the bank inside the one. 5, 1 or 2 we must find. Most of one yam supposed to be right up. Top side and plant. So. Chop with them bush of fire, so. From round back here. So. And then see how you work my shit. And take my wood. I true me can't chop nothing near here, man. That is it, peeps. I look at to see what I can find.
One.
One on cocoa full basket.
Whole plant already, Big already, One way that in there,
Stonyville, people. And yam are not easy for dig. Call them stony yam. Then yam already in a stony area. Stonyville yam, Them yam are not easy to dig. When all some man come and see them yam, then gone like it. Hard to dig. Hope I say people in full drive on YouTube too. All of my subscribers them. Yeah man, don't need to check in for now, No joke. Make sure you share that one. Yeah man, share it like you never share nothing else so before. That one a epic, man.
One man a dig,
Look at that big stone in my old people. See that stone there, see? You know if you dig around that stone if you get to the tactics. Stone it not intent to move,
Catch a one.
All that.
You don't see that one anymore.
40 leg. Sodomite 40 leg, that no people, you see.
You touch him 2 times, I see, man.
Mm-hmm.
You touch him because I can't make him touch you.
Yeah. Knife up that no people, you know we do it out here in JA. Out of the farm.
I want to feel it.
I tell you.
Real get a life.
Real get a life. Actually, my grandfather would have go cut one stick long time and I use it wrap the stone. That I broke much in time.
You can't do rock for rock. Come on, make even grow on it.
Yeah, say. You have to give me a walk off fight. Like who I am, me can't take a walk off fight, you know. Trouble! Peeps! You know, like and share that one and myself share it on every platform on up. Yeah man. Share it on every platform on up, peeps. Can't get no better than this, you know, peeps. See how we have to do it to get out, yeah. Stonyville.
Try to move this stone, we can't move here, man.
Time I remember digging yam over here, I remember me and Pasha Roo one time. We say, yo, we dig out some breed of stone to post it before. Most of them stone I see down the road. Out of yam hole and come from up here. Yeah, man. Can't hungry and say I can't dig them yam. I have to come dig them before I get hungry, you know. See how we have to price it.
Dead for hungry, man.
That deal.
Dead for hungry peeps. That's just, you know.
Just so we do it.
Countryman style.
Yo, I want thing the boss rough on me still, you know. Yo, peeps, yeah, see what I go on?
You have to move the stone before you get the tree, man. If you don't move the stone, you can't go nowhere, another.
Pasha Road, I do the same thing too, man. The man is faithful when he man dig all the yam, you know. Worse if he see size, right, you know. Yeah. We don't see what he did yet. Because what they see we so what trickery, though. We dig when we look at one little small bomb. Good deal. Long time. Much people that run gone long time and I say, boy, load this and go to our next one. We are trying and see how far it can take, you know. Because yam want, you know. Yam we need. Catch a little sky view off our general dig the yam, you know. Sky view, people.
Like it. And then trying to move.
Play stubborn.
I'm waiting for you, right? You're stubborn. I'll find you digging it.
God make man to devour all things. You see me?
Keep big so long.
Yeah. God make we to do all things through him, you know, that create us. You see what I go on?
So that one, yeah.
One a beer and a stone, people.
But then you have a nice different.
Gummy.
Yeah, good one make it there 5, take it out. But you have a nice different, man.
Yeah, man. Gummy I'm doing, you know.
Can't make them cool too much, you know.
You see me? Say mankind have it easy, people.
Some have it easy, man, but some not have it, you know. Yeah, be real. Some have it, but some not have it. Yeah. Yeah, but next man will tell himself, say,
nah, do this bomb,
nah, come dig the yam, but
you pay the money for it.
you ain't paying how much. I'm just like, I not go see, so I buy. So I buy fish.
See the work we have to put in a jam down here, people. Yeah, man. On to food.
You don't know the right for your life, you know, the right food
Yeah,
and still, so we just do it, you know.
No fertilizer.
Can't to a stage and now I give the EG a part time. I move a stone a face too.
Good deal.
I wonder where I'm going.
Where that come from?
You sure I run after this if you be here so big.
Him just appear up. The whole thing just appear up, you know, brother. And like him gone down back a stone, you know.
Yeah, what's going on down there? I'm going to have food down there.
That may I say.
You know, so I sit down around there by like some stooge. You know, so I sit down and have food around there.
Gone down.
Soft dirt, so I wonder where you find soft dirt, you know, so. Bills.
That to them still, you know. I'm for board through it.
If we find soft dirt, I don't know if he's big. But if find soft dirt around up on me, I'll fetch all day. I don't know if he's big. Soft dirt, all mama that down there good on.
Okay, I cool. Let but I broke in.
Take a dip.
Let's see if we can take it. So we can do this. We'll find soft dirt down there.
So, we are only cooking on them.
What could that be?
If you're so long, one yam take to dig.
That's two in the villa.
We have one part of St. Thomas, you know.
Call a place a Kagure.
A natural thing, man. I say the jungle stay, you know. Natural jungle, you know.
That's a bit better. These out, man. Can I run back in? So.
Yeah, them birds are sing sweet. Say, I tell us some strong food you counting idea. Nothing.
You need to come here and come get some of them food in a them time of year. You see me? December, January, February, March, you know. By April then start plant back again. Now then gonna spring back, you know.
Quicker, but then spread.
So, yeah man, you have to study them food and know when to, you know. Yeah man. And food and come like yellow yeah man and sitting there. You must see one where them make nowadays because they don't have to make things, you know, peeps. Where do you see some cane on a town there, peeps? Giant and long, you know.
Yeah, man.
When me ask the Bridget, I say sell me a bag of cane because two of the cane and look, me say me have to taste it. Yo, the cane have a sweetness still no, but it no have that refreshing taste like our own. Our original cane. I say peeps, me I wonder what kind of cane them they start. The Bridget tell me say I make them cane, the agriculture cane. Me I say the backside this man I tell me say. So right now, I just say them a carry go people. You see me, we have to just go and take care of what we have and cherish it. You know, so we then can come get little light and teach them about, you know, mama earth and what go on in night. Make them know natural food if you eat, you know. We have video, you know, but we are teach, you know, see them here too. You see me, because we don't teach, you know, we don't comment, see them here and motivate you. So we have to always have something for you. You see me? Teach you, see me. So don't worry about it, man. You there show now for dig here, man. Still a go on a positive reasoning on the side. Natalie, Mojo, all I want to big up my Trinidadian fans them, friends them. Big up on yourself, you know. Can't do without you know, my Australian peeps them. Big up, big up, big up. One love over up on that side there. UK, no, me not left for North Canada. You see me, just go and big up and bless up on yourself. Yeah, man. Mommy and daddy bless up over Canada, you see them, you know. Yeah, man. I'm not supposed to see cool with them, but I'm going to make you get a closer look when they finish yam digging. Sealer. Yeah, man, uncle, I root out that still the people that see what I go on.
That big one, I'm going to move. Let's see my go on. I think you see my go on. I'm going to go and bust, take him out.
Man.
But you like him in net down in there.
Man.
I'm down in the group. I'm a baby.
So, man.
Me see me young, you see me. I'm not big, you know, but let me tell you.
True, man.
That's the way I live. You're not big. Let me tell you, no. You're not big. That's the way I live. See you.
Small master. Grateful receive.
Right. But I see one of my next one of us too. And if I really like one, they made a go for about two. I've been saying up on the front page.
They just take him off.
Just move him first.
Makes
just
sense.
like scratch that one here now. You got to fight. That one
see that peeps.
That one they run the side on.
Make the way.
Make the way already. I know the size of the runners I need there, but
the learning process in a Jaja, you know. So you live, you learn day by day, people. As I said before, like and share. Leave a comment. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, peeps. Yes, man. Uncle and nephew outside. In the bush. Doing the right thing. Yeah, man. Natural nature life. Teaching how to get the Renta Yam dig. You know?
Special one names and one that's still that you talk about. And that's one the Renta Yam.
Yeah.
That's a special type of Renta we want to eat.
True, man.
No one no plant and no feed. Something go wild in the jungle.
See that? No joke. See that, my people? Rock out that small master.
Big scenery, we'll give thanks.
Grateful receive. Me don't tell you how to eat the peeps. And no look like nothing more in the food.
Yeah, and next to go on the run and corner yourself, but you can't go on.
You look like in the pan size to like that one. Liquor.
You see, but the next to go on the run again too. I just look what go on.
Look what go on. Plan but it's too little lead them, eh? Them how we get out tight. Them there. How we get out tight. We have to come from around so with that one. We don't look too bad, see me. Fine food. The wrong place of deep.
Okay, look at all this. I can't this.
Big yam find the summer go for yam. Big yam.
And this.
Right.
No, I say I can't this.
Yeah, that's for true. Peeps, I want to need a search yam. Search yam. Big head. Find it? I'm saying it's a big vine. But you know I'm so excited. You know excitedness already. You find him? Search, then I search here, I'm going to keep. What's this one? Supposed to have a couple of yam right on the tree on this thing. Can't talk loud, you know, people in money. We go dig them out. Soft dirt around there, you know. Yeah, peeps.
DJ spot the money want to work.
The general say you must have it shortcut.
But say man, in big all this and a plant it back of that, man, I like. That man, I like.
Say man, in turn,
That man, I like.
Bomba.
You see me I talk about? And then look when you steal something and catch something from the top, they say, brother, man, I like that, brother. But man, even reach the something, man, plant back the thing, brother.
Man, they want move away in the bush.
I like them style, thing are not
Put
style,
the
brother.
piece.
But man, even say man can reap, brother, man, reap and plant back the thing, that me always a talk about, you know. How you get a crop out of your next crop?
Must dead out.
How you get something feet back out of your next crop? Nothing can do your feet for your next crop, brother. Can you idea what you think?
Can the people. So them plant me ripe.
I like people do cool, man. Man, they even reap with some plant back the thing, brother.
Shoot, man.
Plant back the other thing, brother. Couldn't be the first man to do that, man. Because I was trying to roll around. Taller than they were fucking like that.
Shoot, man.
So we couldn't be the first man. So on to the first man we did. We did and plant back 50 second generation can eat together.
Shoot.
So why we can't do the same? We 8 man stay from man. You like people?
You see I'm there, sir? See, me see like me see one green vine, you know, sir. But we don't know where it run to. You see that vine on me, Jack? Be a yam seed. A real chat, man. It come like a yam baby, yam seed. Because then say you have to take out the seed and plant them. With them beer. See it, yeah? It run like it run come down through this. Yeah, I eat that come back round down the side. Yeah, peeps. See uncle take time to take out that one, you see him here. Nice size one. Next snake one again. Bend up in the dirt. You know the thing already. See, I take a closer look where I go. The old Renta. That is it.
I know it coming like say, yeah, me I tell about it then here. Watch out. So you gone and now the road so back, you know. See this, you know. And see foot you gone back round so now. That means one flat piece of stone you go back up and down here. Shoot.
Puskla maka people. You know? Maka the crowd hot, you know. Call him Puskla maka.
You can't predict, you know, people say. Just reach one part like that. Come reach one part and it's like that, you know.
Peeps, I see a rotted yam vine. I see one bigger than this, you know, peeps.
What I wonder if I rent all the silvers, you know.
You never sure if I silver seed full of maca. Full of maca. Me have one of me a fight too long. You want to see all of me dig around the peeps. And the rock gone way down in the earth. They may have to say, no sir. See piece of the gone in the corner there. Uncle circle him like me, don't know what you say. Them man in a circle, you know.
On the hillside, if you go and work the bodies down on the dirt to cars. Can't drop or go.
See that? You have a catch foot of them place if you not slide off a hillside. Done did it on the job. Know the thing go.
Oh, and this young man, these people, you don't want to broke or nothing, you know, so you have to clear.
The jammy at work.
Work, boy.
Trinidad daddy and them would have said the jammy at work, boy. Hey God, that time I want to do Trinidad the other half go live, go chat it up. Like you when they chat your fart. Those sir. Jammy at work.
And the dirt until they say dirt it's soft, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do your thing. I go and grow. When you buck up on soft dirt, I grow, you grow. You grow, go right down. You hear that? You hear that? Alright, that means I need to reach no ultimate yet. I'm going to go on like me reach somewhere. Yeah, I'm dust to get soft dirt down there, so. So down there, somehow I'll get to kick off the mission. Believe.
See you have rocking peeps. I can see him money more time.
I see them, you know. I just want to give you a draw for Papi, man. I see them, you know.
Little piece broke off my body there, you know, people. Yeah, that guy market, you know, they must have through the body white, but poor they don't know a rock stone. See, a little piece broke off of the body there. But a big, long monster yam. Big, long monster yam piece. You see what I go on? No joke, you see, we no walk with. Not no walk with something. And the easy for price out, you know. Nice, you can soup yam, see the way down there, sir.
I see him in church out. Nice, look like Irish be like a soup.
Tick it up, huh? See yam peeps. Real jungle lifestyle. But people don't know yam dig, then come a market, come bite. And about the people more while I say, oh, then yam so dear. You see what make it a fit dear? Plant it all long in a soil and have to wait for it to come. And then come dig it and carry it out. Imagine all the sun rain bus you know. So know it go. And next kind of scratching that again. So more time we can watch price. I have to watch the food that I put in our belly, huh? That is it. And no coat nor crack is it, you see it? Peeps is a big yam there, so you know. The next piece of left right there, so make you not see it good. You see? See it piece? That's a big stone I hold it. There I try to see if I can get it out. See uncle up me, sir. I take out one, so. We have to there go and load the video in for a little while because hard work I put in, you know. Yam broke. As you can see, gummy piece of yam, this peeps. Gummy piece of yam, so.
Get bigger and bigger.
So peeps, you don't know a thing. Active when they put everything together and make you see what go on and they done. Because as we say, you know, we have to there try. Alright, now extra work yourself, because I think me reach my destination, but I still have more digging. Me have to take off all the water, so dig the whole wide, I have to take out the rock. So stay tuned for all of that, you know.
No way, yeah, boy. A stone, right there.
Yeah, man, a stone with the people, so. You know, you can see how Django up there on the one there, you know.
Which more came going to a land more came going to people.
You see what I go on. That be a them kind of thing that we they are going on with people. You see, as I can see that one there, very long. Yeah man, I have a little shape down there, so stay tuned for when it come out. To see how it look. As I say, me there, so I take on a piece of work. Same way. Tips, look there. See how that tall? Yes, no man. Good work you put in to get that, you know.
Snake Sylvans to this.
You see that?
All I want is snake Sylvans.
That
see
is
part,
it.
have a little red part here. Like Sylvans. It's a renter. I mean snake renter this. Snake renter. Yeah, that's how it looks. So. Different looks.
That is it, peeps.
Both angles, you see?
Mm-hmm.
So we get bigger and bigger, you know.
No
You
joke.
don't find bigger than that too.
See that? Yes, peeps. See that? Try the yam bag, you know. See uncle up at front there. Just have to come off of the own thing. And make you see how they look when time reach up on the front. No joke. Just don't mash up one piece of apple. You can't find whole apple now. You have to peer up apple. Yo! Although I find a couple nice good one when they are forward first too. But there man, active people. Make sure you like up the channel. If you never yet subscribe, you know what the right time to do it, you know. For your day this year. Then man, click the subscribe bell, man. Make sure you click all, you know. So whenever I drop a vlog, you guys can stay updated. See that? Yes man, let's go on the right thing. Stay tuned for when I show you them, you know. Peeps, banana this is fine, you know, peeps. You know, say bush life are the best. Not that bush you can't hungry so easy unless you are hungry, you know, peeps. I go on a piece of granny style. Bag leg up on head and then sitting there, see what I go on. You know the thing go, peeps. Yeah, man. That style and I use my teeth peel it, you see? You see how the camera, peeps. Yeah, new thing go. Peeps, no joke. This one is ain't no chicken or no pork. Natural ripe, peeps. Natural ripe, you know. You see that? Just a come out of the jungle, so. No, let go already. Just go and lock in and crack it. Normal alive. Yes, peeps. Yam for days. No, so nice. Renta them. Nah, lie. Nice. Some of them fat still, you know, but yeah, man, nice peeps. Nice renta. Renta for days. Oh, sir. See that, peeps? The boss is full up of fruits again. You know, them man have to carry fruits to the daughter. You know a thing go. Bad boy rooster, they just up in my business so from morning. If you wonder how them go so hard. You see it? Jonathan, you go so hard, you just up in a people business. So. Every minute from morning, me hear your crow. People look on that nice bunch of banana people. Nice bunch of banana. Out here in a sweet Jamaica, you know. Zoom in on it, make you see a little hog, man. Sunlight checking people, you see what I'm going. Sunlight check-in. Banana nice. Roast Michelin call it, you know, peeps. So next stick one there. Wifey that in our background, you know, peeps. Peeps, you don't know me have a muggle piece of yam, you know. You know them way there. Look on there. Show off with yam. You mean, man? No, man, I like peeps. Yam for days. Only heap of yam. So you know the thing. Go. You see that? Can't get no better than this. So catch you in another vlog, you know? Yeah, man. Next one I go butter. You see that? So yeah, little more. Love you all.
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for djswicked vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not did it. Up full, Raz Vital. Hey!
Yo, AC Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain I represent for djswicked vlogs, you see? Yeah, get it. I'm here saying me tired of nightmares. Tired to sip the rum with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the picture in a Times Square. One go djswicked vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.